Google's going to require that Android apps let you delete your account and data. You might not have to worry about leaving sensitive info at risk. Google will require Android apps to let you delete your account and data. I see. So if you want to be in the App Store, you're going to have there's a provision that says that this data needs to be easily deletable. Google wants to make it easy to scrub an app account as it is to create one. The company has announced that Android apps on the Play Store will soon have to let you delete an account and its data both inside the app and on the web. Developers will also have to wipe data for an account when users ask to delete the account entirely. The move is meant to better educate users on the control they have over their data and to foster trust in both apps and the Play Store at large. It also provides more flexibility. You can delete certain data, such as your uploaded content, without having to completely erase your account. Like, how many people delete their data? And that stuff is just floating and flying around. And depending on where it went, can you really, truly, completely delete it? That remains to be seen. But I suppose that any version of it is better than no version of it. The policy is taking effect in stages. Creators of apps, that is, have until December 7th to answer questions about data deletion in their apps. Safety Forum, store listings will start showing the changes in early 2024, and developers can file for an extension until May 31st. So they're going to have to bake it into their apps, or I suppose risk removal from the App Store in general, the Play Store, which they're not going to want to be removed. So
I wish there was an automatic way, but
like there's just a certain amount of time that your data can live, period, and then it's deleted. If it goes unused for a long enough time. I had that happen to me recently around, I think, Google Photos. It was location data of Google Photos. And it said, if you disable this now, you will lose X amount of history of all location data and you won't be able to regain it. And I was like, ooh, that seems real.
Google's like, don't do it.
But I don't know. We're all so ill-informed on this topic. Like, okay, you delete something. Is it when and where is it deleted? Remember when Linus's channel got hacked and it's like, oh, they deleted. No, they didn't delete anything. Nothing is deleted. Now, I understand it's a different case, but
yeah, YouTube still has the backup.
You delete a video on YouTube, it's not deleted. To the public, it's deleted. You may not see it in your video manager. I presume they have their own policy around how long they hang on to that copy until it's actually deleted. I'd be curious to know. This clip you just watched is sponsored by LaterCase. If you have been looking for an impossibly thin case to put on your brand new smartphone, you need to check out LaterCase, available for both Android and iPhone. Check the description of this clip in order to get a special offer.